Cooking something different and delicious for a date at home, or for your kids, or even just for yourself, is always a satisfying thing to do. Hey guys, welcome back to RovitaS, and let's prepare a platter full of varieties and taste. So first we'll prep for pan-fried paneer tikka. For this, add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, salt as per taste, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder. Squeeze half a lemon, mix well, and your marination is ready. Now cut 200 grams of paneer into 4 thick and equal slices and coat all of them with the marination. Now let's chop a lot of garlic. You can of course use it less in quantity, but I can never get enough of it. For stir-fried veggies, we are prepping 1 cup broccoli and half cup mushrooms. Just boil them slightly to remove the raw taste by first adding mushrooms to the boiling water and boiling it for a minute. Then add broccoli and boil for another minute. Now my favorite item of the platter, mashed potato. Chop 2 big potatoes and boil them till they become really soft. Now drain the water and take them out on a plate. Mash them before they cool down. You can also pass them through a sieve after mashing to make it more smooth. Now add 1 tablespoon soft salted butter and half cup grated cheese. Well, I'm using cheddar cheese because I just love it. You can use any cheese of your choice. Mix well and then add the seasonings. Add a little bit of black pepper powder, chili flakes, a pinch of salt and mix well. If you wish to make it yummier, well, why won't you? You can also microwave it for 20 seconds just before serving. Now let's start finalizing by tawa frying marinated paneer. Brush your tawa with little bit of oil and fry paneer till it becomes golden brown from both the sides. Stir fry the veggies in half a teaspoon oil and add 2 pinch of salt. Prep the rice by frying them in 2 teaspoon oil or butter and 1 teaspoon chopped garlic. Add some salt and garnish with finely chopped stems of green coriander. Well, this is completely optional, but I love adding coriander stems. They don't give you a typical coriander taste, but still adds a color to your dish. That's all. Now assemble the platter and enjoy this exotic yummy meal. I know this platter is a bit time taking, but do try it and you will start believing that hard work pays off. Please subscribe to our channel for many other interesting videos and share your reviews in the comment section. Till then, live the life you love and stay happy.